Hello everyone and welcome to my hair tutorial. I don't know why the video just skipped like that, but this is me being disgusted with my flat hair. And here I am just parting my hair. I'll part it in the middle or on either side. It just depends on what I'm feeling that day. But I parted it a little bit off to the side and then I brushed it. And then I realized that my hair was very greasy, so in a second I'm going to apply some dry shampoo, but this is me further, parting my hair, trying to find a good way to part it. And yep, this is me taking my dry shampoo because this was, I think, third day hair and was kind of greasy. So to solve that problem, I'm just using the Batiste dry shampoo. I believe it's in the cherry scent, yes. The bottle has cherries on it, so yes. Now, for the first top section of my hair, I'm going to take a thin section and tease it using a teasing comb. I'm going to tease it quite a bit. You will see why in a second, because there's actually a reason for that. And now I'm just grabbing my Herbal Essences hairspray. And this stuff smells so good. It's like the blue and green print on it. The orange one also smells good, but honestly, I'd wear that scent as like a perfume. It smells so fucking good. So now I'm just taking a second section and doing the exact same thing. I'm backcombing it a lot with the same brush. And backcombing, doing more. And then I'm going to take the hairspray and spray that backcombing again. And now for this third section, I'm going to only backcomb it a little bit using a non-teasing brush, so it's going to get backcombed a little less harshly. And then I'm going to take my hair volumizing iron, and basically what this is a hair iron that has a pattern on it that's essentially like a waffle iron. And it is very expensive. The brand has a patent on the hair iron, so you can only get it from that brand as far as I know. I believe it was over $100. I don't remember how much. This thing is old. But for me, it is well worth the money, and if you do have flat hair, honestly, buy it. It's worth it. Save up and buy it. Because I like really big hair, and this helps me with that. So again, I'm doing the same to a section underneath it. I'm using the volumizing iron to do the same thing. I hold it for a few seconds and then do it like 2 or 3 times down a strand of hair. I obviously don't go all the way down. The reason that I tease the top 2 sections so much is because we want all that like waffle iron pattern to be covered up by smooth hair. So I just tried to make those sections super thick so that way they could cover the where the iron prints are. But the reason that it's like a waffle print is because it bumps up certain parts of your hair to create like more volume in your hair. It's hard to explain, but it actually really works. When I saw it, I kind of thought it was bullshit, but I tried it, and honestly, I use this thing like every single day for my straight hair looks. I will curl my hair a bit or blow it out, but this is what I do for my straight hair. So then I flip it all back to one side and I brush over the top, smoothing it out. And then I kind of fluff it up. And actually this iron can volumize a hell of a lot more. But today was just a work day, hence the shitty shirt. I don't really care how I look too much at work. But yeah, I didn't go too big on the hair today because it was just a really super casual day. But I can go pretty big with this iron. So again, I'm doing the same thing on the opposite side. I'm just backcombing really harshly the top section of hair that I grabbed, hairspraying it. Yep, and then I'm doing the exact same thing to the second section. Just sectioning it off, backcombing it, and then some hairspray. And then I'm taking a third section, sectioning it off, and then I'm backcombing using my regular brush. That's not going to backcomb a ton. And the backcombing before the iron just kind of makes it even more voluminous. So yep, I'm just holding it a few seconds, taking it down 2 or 3 times, and then I flip it over and doing the same thing yet again. If you guys want to see a tutorial on like any of my curly hair looks, or like the way that I quote unquote blow out my hair, which I actually don't even use a blow dryer, I use a straightener. I can do that for you. I'll probably do an Instagram poll. The good thing about this is that this hairstyle and the way that I'm doing this is that it's an extremely quick kind of a thing. It's going to take longer if you have to straighten your hair first. I personally don't ever have to straighten my hair because my hair is extremely straight. The way that you see it in this video is the way that it dries naturally. Once I, brush it and everything, it looks this straight. I never have to straighten my hair. So yep, I'm pulling it all back over, brushing over the top, and now both sides are done. I'm just adjusting. I'm going to be adjusting like both of the sides, maybe doing a little bit more teasing to make it a little bit bigger, covering up all of the iron marks, adjusting more. I'm just kind of fussing with my hair at this point, making sure that you can't see any of the teasing, pushing it back, pushing it forward. Adjusting even more. And so that is my hair, straight hair look with some volume added to it. So thank you very, very much for watching.